Hello everyone and welcome back to day 10 of 31 days of July watercolor month. Today we are painting a soft and elegant watercolor floral greeting card featuring this delicate layered petals flower. So grab your watercolors and let's get started. So for this card I am using 5x7 watercolor paper. It is a 300 GSM cold press paper. Then I have two round brushes. One is bigger and the other one is a smaller. And then we have a Sharpie. And I also will be using a white jelly roll pen. You can use any pen that you have. And I have a paint mixed, which is a very watery kind of a paint. We need very watery consistency for this one. It is a mix of pink and red, and we want it lighter because we want the farthest petals to be lighter. So we are going to start with the bigger petals and then paint them. I painted 3 petals and then I just dab the extra with the tissue paper towel. Paper towel is really important for this kind of painting because it makes the process even faster. So for both the flowers, I start by painting 3 petals each, not in any particular way. It is just 3 blobs together, as you can see. And the most important tip for this kind of layered petal flower is you have to let each layer dry completely before you start painting the other one. So I have painted first layer for both the flowers and then I will dry them completely. After it dries up, I'm going to use the same mixture, the same watery mixture, and somehow when you paint on top of the previous one, the overlapping will be darker. So that's the beauty of layering. This is what we want. So every time I will be painting a layer, maybe 1 or 2 petals or 3 petals, and I will dry it first with the paper towel and then I will completely dry it with the blower or the heat gun, whatever you have conveniently. And I will keep on layering them until I'm happy with the layers. And there is no rule that you cannot go out of the first previous petals. You can always pop the petals little out from the original flower as well, as you can see here. So be free. This is such a relaxing way to paint a flower, and as you build the layers it gets more exciting and you can choose the number of layers that you want to put. So I did not actually count how many layers I did put, but I did put a lot of layers. So every time you paint petals, so here now I have started painting two petals because they are becoming smaller. So I started painting two petals. Then again I use paper towel to wipe the excess and then dry it with the blow dryer. It is extremely important. I cannot focus enough to dry the first layer before putting the second layer for those perfect layered effects. So please keep on watching until I reach the final layer. I am now happy with all the layers, and I can see the closest layers are the darkest. That is all what we want for the perfect layering. And now I'm using my Sharpie to create the flower buds. So I'm just making a U shape and cover it with a curved line and just fill it in. So these are the stems now. The stems I'm making very simple because our flower has the main focus, and just dotting some dots near the bud to show the stamen. And then I will also create a border around this for the perfect card feeling. So I like to make this freehand because it gives a little more handmade effect rather than using a scale. So but you can use any scale or hand drawn. You can either use different pattern for the border. And I didn't like the stems to go out of the border, so I will cover them with the white jelly roll pen as well. You will see it in the later part. And then I use this white pen to make the stamens, those long lines with the dotted head. This gives the flower even more delicate look. And with this, our beautiful watercolor floral card is complete. I hope you all enjoyed painting along with me today. And if you did, then don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and also subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's watercolor project. Thank you so much for watching this, and I will see you in day 11 of my 31 days of July watercolor month. Happy painting, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.